mini project. Our mini project is about compare emotion detection between using face expression recognition and FIR 2030 datasets. So let's go.
First, motivation and introduction. Recognizing human emotion plays an important role in the interpersonal relationships. Emotions are reflected in the word, hand, and body gesture through facial expression. Therefore, identifying and understanding emotion is highly important in the interaction between human-machine communication and many future tasks. From the above important our groups decide to study datasets used in development, but because of the diverse datasets, so the group has foreseen the study, analysis, and research on the dataset accuracy comparison from two datasets that we iterate to analyze under the same algorithm which apply knowledge of face detection, CNN, Adam Optimizer, OpenCV, and classifier during intelligent system course. The model algorithm that our group planning to exploit. First is the face detection used for finding face and facial region, and when it's found the face, it will apply additional tests to confirm that it has in fact detected a face using datasets to train the model. Using CNN to take the image raw pixel data, trains the model, then extract the feature automatically for better classification to make image recognition and classification in order to detect objects, recognize face, and other. Adam Optimizer to replacement optimization algorithm for stochastic gradient descent for training deep learning models. OpenCV used to detect and recognize face, identify objects, classify human action in videos, track camera movement, track moving object, extract 3D model of the objects, produce 3D point cloud from stereo cameras. And the last is using classifier because it is the algorithm itself, the rule used to classify data. A classification model, on the other hand, is the result of your classifier machine learning. The model is trained using the classifier so that the model ultimately classifies your data.
Okay, for the part of the dataset, as we show on the beginning that we compare the dataset between the face expression recognition dataset with the for 2013 dataset. So for the part of development and research, first we check the accuracy of two datasets that need to compare the performance of dataset of accuracy. So this is the face expression recognition dataset. As you can see on the picture, we got the accuracy of this dataset as about 70%. It's about, yes. And for 2013 dataset, we got the accuracy about 66%. Next, we modify some part of code to make it can run and show the video capture to detect emotion face as the picture can show. So next we find some random picture to test or of emotion type in each dataset. The first picture that we used is the angry emotion. The next is about the fear emotion. And for the third picture is happy emotion. So the first of the below is the neutral emotion. So next is the sad emotion, and for the sixth picture is surprise, and for the last one is about the disgust emotion. So the last the last step we setting the same is picture for test the optimizer using Adam, CNN, Keras, and OpenCV.
Okay, next it is the results. And for the first is the result as from for 2030 dataset. As you can see from the first picture, is detect fear, but it's not correct because it is the disgust. And for the second is happy, and it detect to the happy, so it's correct. And for the third is about the angry face, so it detect to angry, so it's correct. And for the fourth is a neutral face, but it detect to fear, so it's wrong. And for the fifth is fear, and it detect to the fear, so it's correct. And for the sixth is a surprise face, and it detect to the surprise too and fear too, so this one is normally is confuse something. And for the last is about the sad face, but is detect to the fear, so it's not correct. And for the second dataset that come from fake expression recognition dataset, for the first one is detect to the happy face to the happy, so it's good, correct. And for the second is about the neutral face, it detect to neutral, so it's correct. So next is about the third picture, it is the disgust, but it detect to the neutral, so it's wrong. And about the angry face, surprise face, sad face, and fear face is detect correct. And for of all the result, we can summary into the table like this. And as you can see about the total of probability of the fake expressions, recognition is around 85.7% correct about the accuracy. And for the FIR 2030 dataset is around 57%. So next.
Summary and discussion from the experiment have shown that randomly using face detect image is better on the first dataset. Face expression recognition dataset, but this is not a 100% quality, as we can improve accuracy in the future and even change the model algorithm. This is a reference.
And also it has some like a paper that I have found and the information to make these experiments. And this is all of the team member. We have 5 person in this team, and this is overall of the presentations. And so next, let's see the demo from our working in the experiment. So let's go see the demo. Alright, let's start from the showing the demo of my mini project. At first, we have to create a folder named emotion detection CNN. And in the folder, it will contain the file that for the first file about the code that I have running in the Kaggle. And then when we run this one, we have get the model.5 file. That is the file is the output from the model that are training in this file. And then you will get this file, right? Next, you have to download this file that's called hierarchical frontal face default that do it right to detect the face and to find the face of the video capture to to predict the emotion. We have to use this file, then you have to download it in the folder, or maybe in the library in the OpenCV you can have this one to use too. And next, from the about this code is used like a model that's called face expression recognition dataset that I have trained. And then when we are training the dataset, we have to use like this one from the example of the display the image like And for the making that we have can see it have the 7 class of the training datasets and validation data. And for the building model, we have focused on the CNN. From first one, we have first layer, second layer, third layer, full layers, and above the fully connected first layer and second layer, we have designed this model. And also we have used the optimizer named Adam. All right, and this is the output of them. And next we have to fitting the model and training the data and validation data. And next that you can see it have model compile and model generator. And you can see from this dataset we got the accuracy that it show in this graph that you can see it have maybe 70, right? So when we got right 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, we have to make a file, right? Main.py too. This file is made to load the model from this file that I have told you before, and also to classify about this file that you have to download for detection the face in the video capture. And next about the label that have 7 class, like, and also in this code you have to write to open the video pop-up, and then you will set up the picture into the gray color, and about focus on the face classifier detect multiple scale to the gray, right? And next we have to set up like the scale of the video capture, and also we have to predict the face that the video capture have detected, and predict what is the emotion or the feeling that's matched in each type of the emotion that have 7 class. And for this one, if you want to break the video capture, you will tap like a key, a kill word in the keyboard, and then it will stop the video capture. So then I will show you to run this one in the terminal like this. As you can see, yes, it will detect my face, like, so when I'm doing, it will show neutral, and I will smile, it will show like I'm happy. So in this one, I will show you is about a picture that easy to predict. From this is happy, right? Next one is like angry. And this one for the last that I have shown about neutral. All right, this is all of my showing the demo. So thank you for watching.